How's it going? I'm here with my 2021 Benelli TNT 135. We're going to be installing a high-performance exhaust system today. The stock exhaust looks wonderful and it sounds all right, but it just doesn't quite have the performance or the balls that we're looking for. So I'll give you a sample of that now, and then we'll go ahead and install this and show you what it sounds like after. So we finished up the installation of the high-performance Benelli exhaust. This thing sounds great. Why don't you go ahead and have a listen? Definitely what I was looking for. Look in the links in the description below for any information about purchasing, and thanks for watching.